In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a pan-tilt camera on a tile ceiling. Don't attempt this if you are not comfortable doing it or are not familiar with tile ceilings. Before you start, you want to decide where you will be powering the security camera from. It's good to know beforehand so that you can ensure you have power and a long enough USB cable. So if you look up here, this is where we're going to be installing the camera in the corner of this room. When you are doing the install, just be careful when removing the tile so that you don't cause any damage. You will have to carefully push the tile up and slide it out. Make sure not to force the tile if it doesn't want to move. And what we're going to use is not the supply drywall screw and anchor. We're not going to use this because this will not work on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here that the camera attaches to, and it will be underneath on the underside of this panel that we're going to install it. And you're supposed to install the camera 20 centimeters away from any objects or walls. So because this is in the corner of the room, we're going to install it about 20 centimeters out from each direction. It'll be somewhere around here that we're going to be installing the camera. This thickness of this tile, we need to get our own screws that are at least long enough. Because we're going to be using these nuts together with this screw, this board, this tile itself isn't very dense like wood. So I mean, if you just use this and tighten, it might go right through, right? So we're going to use some washers here to spread the load on the other side so that it's not so easy to go through the tile or damage the tile from the other side like this. So we're going to do this on the side we're going to be mounting this clip on. Normally Eufy has provided stencils that you can use to mark the holes to drill out on the wall, but because we have this taken down, it's easy to just mark it directly, marking out where we're going to drill. And before we do that, we're just going to make sure we don't drill into this wood panel here. Get the right size drill bit for the screw size that you're using. You can see that the screw fits in nicely for this. Put this in. Just long enough for us to tighten these and not have to worry about them coming loose. When we put it in, it's not quite the way I would have wanted it in terms of where the back of this unit faces. Should be towards the corner of the room. So notice how, as we did it, we drilled out this piece like this. What you might want to do beforehand is put this actual piece that we attached here, the mount, put it and lock it in place first to kind of see how you position it. Once the security camera is properly mounted on the tile, power the camera and carefully replace the tile. That's all there is to it. We hope this helps you install your security camera on your tile ceiling. Subscribe to our channel and like the video to help our channel grow. If you decide to try this, let us know how it went.